Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets for the Orsay Museum online. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see in the description of this video below. So go ahead and open up that link. Once you've opened it up, it's going to open up this page from where we can get started getting our tickets on the official platform. So from here you can click the check availability option. That's going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates you can purchase the tickets for. So let's say I want to purchase tickets for the 14th. Right here I'm going to select the date, and then it's going to enable us to select the time slot. You're going to select the time slot which suits you the most and select what kind of ticket you want. Let's say one adult ticket, and if you want to go ahead and also get an audio guide, you can go ahead and add that here right as well. And after that, go to the next page from where you can see similar experiences if you're interested. If not, just go ahead and click no thanks, and it's going to take you to the personal details page where you're going to fill out all your personal info such as first name, last name, phone number, and so on. So once you have go ahead and fill that out, you can click the next option to go to the payment page. Make sure to fill all of this out. So once you have done so, click next and go to the payment method page. It's going to open up this new menu where you can go ahead and take a look at all the payment methods that are available for you to go ahead and choose from that you want to pay with. As you can see, I got an error, but just go and try again. And it's going to look like this. You can select from Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Which one suits you the most, go ahead and select it. Let's say debit and credit card, and then you can go ahead and fill out your info. Fill out your info and click the pay button, and this is going to enable you to make the purchase. So once you've made the purchase successfully, the tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have filled out in the personal details form. And there you have it guys, this is how to go ahead and purchase them. So go into the description of this video, find the first link you see, and it's going to take you to this official page to get your tickets now. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.